Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Long Dilanga, hashtag Kistra.
Shows Tiwo.
Yeah.
Who's it?
Kimna.
Renetiki Pula. I want to change the no change.
Yes.
Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Barbadlete.
Yes.
I give one Kalefela. Barbadlete. Give one Kalefela. Yeah, good. That boy is good.
Yes.
Did you like his number 21?
Yeah.
Karash.
Kimata.
The boy ultimate.
Yes.
We look wrong.
Yes.
He's a very good player.
Yes.
So, game against Mamelodi.
Sure.
The only thing that matters is nearly 3 points.
Yeah.
Let's go play the game.
Yeah.
Chiefs picked the midfield. Midfield backline.
Yeah.
But they played very good. It's not the Kaizer Chiefs that we saw in the General Super Sport.
Exactly.
These were another Kaizer Chiefs. They didn't study us because our coach got interview, got press conference. He said, because my players are fatigued, I practice 20 minutes.
Okay.
After game as Cocoon, 20 minutes. Kafrita, practice 20 minutes. So, Odalale Sundowns,
yeah.
We saw to Kayalami.
Yeah.
Everybody chooses the player, I say Kayalami. More is Kayalami.
Yeah.
Nabilu Nabadi, the go kart. Market team building. A big game, yes, Sundowns. Radio 2000, Metro FM, but Nabi is the player go kart, Kayalami. Musa Chiro, no.
About Jimmy.
Namasaji, but team building.
About relax.
Now we are because Kitale Sundowns. They stimulated the minds of Savona because the players were afraid. But it worked wonders, Kayalami. Yes. Because it's go kart.
Iba recharge.
Yeah, Iba recharge. But a loss is a loss.
Yes.
3 points are lost. You can be happy about the performance.
Yes.
But 3 points are lost.
Definitely.
Why is it Matthias now like sign the player and stuff?
Yes.
Who signed the player? After I signed the player, extra 2 million, extra 3 million, extra whatever. Let me tell you, every player in the PSL, Tito. Yeah. Otonyo win a league once in a while.
Yeah.
But we say Lodge.
Yeah.
Lodge in 5 games, in 5 days.
Yeah.
I said the league champion.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I said Lodge, 5 days.
Yes.
I go Sundowns, the league champion. Si pour Buller and Faro, like, Negral Monamo Filter, on lucky. In 5 days, we champion.
I'm
You have a league medal, 5 days. So, Steve, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to always tell you. Born. What the player doing? Lengas Dali, Kekopela medal. 1 league. Yeah. I want to show my kids I have a league medal. Legacy. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, the only team, yeah, games in hand. Yes. Yeah, perform. Yeah. Mamelodi Sundowns. Fair. It has happened before. Fair. They know ball. History review. Yeah. We were 13 points behind some days. Yes. 13 points behind, but we're number 1. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Out of those 13 points, we didn't lose a point. 0 points. We got ball. Barishaga 13 points. 5 games in hand. 5 games in hand. Yeah. Number 1 is Shaga 13 points. Yes. But 15 points are great. Yes. I'm just saying to you. Yes. Ball. Yes. Chopping and changing of coaches. Yeah. Overlays a machine. Because I'm not so fair. Rhulani, you are doomed. Yeah. Yeah, they said you are doomed. Yeah. Mango hey, you are doomed. Yes. Now you are doomed. Yes. Mango after my game. Mango because now why you it to me but Mango remember he was never introduced as a head coach. There was never a press conference. Your Mango was head coach. Yes. He was a but PhD. Mango and I said it. PhD just an interview. It at an how. Ask an interview. Let it more. Okay, not a PhD. I said I cannot PhD. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. I've been a Sundowns supporter from a young age. Yes. Okay, yeah. He was never introduced as a head coach. They never wanted to use the term caretaker coach. Cardoso, already after game experience, they were talking to him. But they were supposed to fix his work permit first. That's why Cardoso said he never took long to work. So let me tell you, Cardoso is worrying. How will you want not to tell about how we not say? So let me tell you, and I'm gonna tell you now. Coach Aaron Khalifi, Cardoso at Sundowns. Oh, you get history of Sundowns. Reference ball. Oh, when Rhulani go guy. Why you reference Cardoso? Did you mala di brawaras? Cardoso ball. Cardoso reference why ball. Cardoso reference why I'm gonna be like that. Why you reference? Yeah. So only 1-0 or 1-0 or 2-1. But coach are So it's not a problem. Level of dress code to get Rhulani. 4. Why nyanya? Dress code to get Rhulani. So that's why Cardoso Rhulani ka khola. Ke nalo Rhulani rabolela. Nalo Rhulani rabolela.
O sambona buale na vele.
Yes, abrafan me. Because they are good coaches.
Consult ko ye.
Babolela ka football. So I consult. Ukolari. Babolela ka football. Na bi ubolela le Bobby Muta ka football. Cardoso ubolela le standards. Cardoso ben tshwara ke Rhulani. Ball. Abeta ukulekere. Ke wa ape moen. Ke abu. Cardoso le Rhulani babolela ka football. Yes. A fi Rhulani tips. Like a football.
As coaches. Nabu buale man.
Rhulani. Rhulani will let Pep. Babble like a ball. Okay. So it's all like a monofella. So you know what's on your ball. Erko what's no. Ball. Game no. It's 55 points. 55 points. Yeah. 18 points difference. 55 points out of 20 games. Ke record. The record, this is not the big team, it's the best team. The Rage Sundowns fan. 55 points. Ba na le 5 games in hand. Ba.
Ke re ba kana ba tshentsa ba.
5 games in hand. Ke wa hape go butele last card. A ke ba fesile. Wa itse ke re mo bona. Ke re mo bona ke re ke kopana league e fela. Ba Sundowns you share 3 points. Wa itse wa ke re bjang. Ke nyaka ba ampo. What's up for the little guy? That game here and go on. Even the good Mahami, but I say FNB. Mahemi, game but parrot I say FNB. So we can remove. Out of 5-7. Out of 2-1. Bakore 1, like last time. Parrot could lick him by Rapal. It's been years, but didn't know Garban Petaka Erasmus, Erasmus, call of us. So, Ukla like remove. Oh, but I feel late. Coach, you feel late. Kerry. 20 games, Mamelodi Sundowns. Got 55 points. Got 2 losses, no draw. Sundowns. Pirate, in all 5 games in hand. I never give me my talang on Abano. But all 5 games in hand, you reach 15 points. And I'm not going to say to you, actually, supporter this step. Well, I'm not going to say. Pirate out of that, so I have 5 games, but I still 15 points award. I'm just saying to you. Difference for Pirate to reach 3 points. Have we win 15 games here, 5 games here. Yes. 3 points difference. The game is already lekan. The Sundowns the game is already lekan. The game.
Pirate is what you need.
Pirate,
What this time? Tivo, tola Pirate we favor. Yeah, okay, it's right. Coach, level. Coach was why Coach why ball. 5 games in the head. Is it points, coach? 5 games in the head. Is it points? Can I also say coach? No. Right, coach. Coach. 5 games in the head. Bra, man. Coach. Ball, coach. Coach. 5 games in the head. Is it points?
No.
Is Sundowns not collecting points?
They have.
Sundowns is not resting, and we are happy. Prepare 20 minutes because after every 3 days, 2 days. So, let the man of the match ke Suarez. Ke Suarez. Umunati. Kamulutu, Kapas, Umunati.
Everything.
Kapas. But who stop Sundowns? The only team that can stop Sundowns is Mamelodi Sundowns. The only team that can stop Sundowns is Mamelodi Sundowns.
Kumu ikwala no ngiyautela. Batombula.
Right one la. Vamos beshise. Uyile miriri vamos beshise.
Nobody memo. Shabulo.